So apparently, there's been an increase of Red Hive macros. Well, not Red Hive macros. I like to say Red Hive macro boosters, right? Why? I guess you just don't want to play the game no more, you know? I mean, this. I mean, I guess you just don't like the free experience that you used to get. Something that's pretty W. I mean, this team is pretty W, yo. That's one thing. Second thing, why the hell? Is it like you have to use hacks in this game to like get good, bro? I mean, you see me, bro. I don't think I'd be using hacks, yo. You see hacks using in this account, bro? Hell no. I think I'm pretty good, yo. actually starting cooking. GG, bro. Oh, yo, we're starting coconut combos. We're starting coconut combos in yo, you see, bro? This game is just alive like that, bro. Look at those guys. I don't care. I'm still active. Here's what I'm guessing. Everyone just got so bored that they made a and then like Red Hive started using these macros. I mean, obviously I stayed, but still, I'm talking about like most of the community right there. They're practically PC, and apparently you can macro Google now, but that's for let's see. Is it a kid not macro? Oh, we might have found it impossible, man. We found something impossible, chat. We found something impossible. Wait, I need you, please speak. Is this kid macro? Is this kid macro? Is he, yeah, American. I think macros has gotten better. Macros has gotten better in this game. Everyone has been yeah, I think he's hacking now. Trash AI moderation system. Wait, where was this kid? I lost track. Shit. Alright. I mean, usually I'll just speak guided random stuff. They do daily. I don't even know if this kid's macro. This kid's using Atlas. This kid's probably macro. This kid is hacking. Wait, I have to ask. Well, macros have gotten really clever. He really has. Look at this kid. He's really fine shit. What's his fucking clever? Yeah. You don't get the experience. No more fun beast one. There only no Oh yeah. Buy this. Oh man, I have no Robux. Wait. I can buy this. Okay, I'm wrong. Status increase. Yeah, I guess it's a pretty good job.